So the age-old question, if a tree falls in the woods and nobody's there, does it make a noise? Well, let's take that to another degree. If a video analytic has an alarm condition and it doesn't tell anybody, what good is it? Typically, we are only going to see that alarm after the fact.
That's very true.
So Preston, what are we able to do with an analytic alarm from Bosch?
Yeah, with the analytics, right, what we're doing now in the cameras is actually being able to activate messaging, right? So whether that's based on any type of analytic event or compound event. So being able to scare them away or being able to welcome them if it's something during business hours when they approach a
May not always be a bad thing.
It might not always be a bad thing, right?
True.
Or it could be somebody just walking somewhere they shouldn't be walking, right? Maybe they're taking a shortcut through a warehouse or something like that.
Right.
We need to advise, hey, you don't need to be here. It's not safe to be here.
Right.
And that's what we're doing. We're leveraging the technology in the camera to talk directly or activate a message native in the speaker. And with that, right, we've got a couple different footprints. And here we've got a small horn speaker. We've got a larger one as well.
Okay.
And then we have a module. So being able to use that on any type of speaker, right? If we want to mount a box speaker or a ceiling speaker, maybe that's what's better in our facility.
Gotcha. So different form factors, different solutions for different problems. And again, I say problem, but this may not always be a problem. If you want to be able to greet somebody, let somebody know, or be able maybe just to direct them to a different location for safety reasons. A little bit different than what I'm always thinking. I'm always thinking of an alarm condition, but again, different applications. All right.
So yeah, maybe we take a look here. We're going to activate. We've got this person here that's going to approach the fence line. And then once they're in this area, it's going to activate a message, right? We're going to deter this. Same way
you are
this
approaching
alarm
a restricted
gets activated,
area. Please leave immediately.
That message itself, that alarm is being sent back to the monitoring service or wherever that's being supervised, but we also have SIP built into the IP speakers. So what does that mean? Now I can actually have a live talk down and listen back, so we can have a two-way conversation.
Gotcha.
You know, maybe you were sent there to work on something and I just wasn't notified, or you know, the paperwork didn't follow all the way through. You can tell me, hey, I'm here for such and such work order and this is what I'm here, and they can have that two-way conversation.
It gives a lot more capability, a lot more flexibility to an overall system.
Correct. We're just literally assigning a phone number or an extension to the speaker.
If you have questions, if you need more information, you can get in touch with Preston at Bosch, or you can contact support@midchest.com.